everyone, I am Saket and welcome to Shape It and Make It. In this video, we'll be seeing how to make a basic and easy origami craft that is a paper boat. But before I get to the procedure, you're seeing that subscribe button below, right? Do click on that and also click on the bell icon next to it so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Here is my Instagram handle. Do follow me there. First, to make this paper boat, you need to take a piece of paper. You can take a rectangular piece of paper or a square piece of paper. For this, we need a square piece of paper, but if you have a rectangular piece of paper, no problem. Just do this. Take one corner and fold it until you get a triangle like this. Just how I am demonstrating, do the same thing and you'll get a perfect square sheet. See? Now after you have got the triangle, just press it and fold it. I have folded it. See, like this. Now the extra rectangular part below, you just have got to cut it out. Just cut it out. See, done. It was like that and now I have cut it. Now if you open this, you'll get a square piece of paper. See, it's a square sheet of paper now. After doing this, you have to take one of the side and fold it into half. Just like this. You need to do accurate folds and match the edges so that you'll get a really nice boat. If you don't do this properly, the boat won't come out good. After doing this, fold this also into half again. See, like this. This part might get a bit tricky as we already have got one fold, but you have to do this properly. Just have some patience and do it. After doing this, see, there are 4 corners. Out of the 4 corners, one corner will have 4 flaps like this. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 flaps. I am showing it to you again. See, 4 corners. And then out of the 4 corners, one corner will have 4 flaps. 1, 2, 3, 4. After doing this, take 3 of the corners and then fold it outwards. See, just like this. Match the corners perfectly. Done. Now take the other one corner which is left over. See, there's a gap. Now take the other one corner left over and fold it outwards. Just like this. See, I have matched the edges and matched the corner too. See, done. You will get a triangular shape like this. Now, in the middle you will have some gap. Now, in that gap, you have to just pull it from the middle. Keep your fingers in the middle and just pull it until you get a diamond shape like this. See? This is a perfect diamond shape. Now, just press it and fold it properly. See, I have pressed it. You will get a perfect diamond shape like this. Now, what you have to do is, there are 2 corners, one corner at the top and one corner at the bottom which are open. So, one corner will have a flap opening like that and one will have opening like this. Take this one and just pull it slowly. See, just like this, and your boat is almost ready. Now just keep it on a surface and press it properly. Be careful. See, and your boat is ready. How easy was that? I hope you liked this video, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up Subscribe to Shape It and Make It, and also click on the bell icon next to it so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Share this video with your friends and relatives so that they can also make this boat and have fun. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Thanks for watching.